What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best sewing machine in 2022. There's a lot of choice for sewing machine. A quality sewing machine comes in handy to hem new pants, fix small holes or tears and even design your dream wardrobe, but you don't need to be an expert sewer to benefit from owning a sewing machine. Whether you love embroidery, quilting, making clothes or are a beginner who's eager to learn, when shopping for a sewing machine, the crucial question to ask yourself is, what is most important to me when I sew? To find the best sewing machines on the market, the Good Housekeeping Institute Textiles Lab put 13 different sewing machines, embroidery machines and sergers to the test, evaluating ease of threading, stitch accuracy with different fabrics, innovative features and more. We analyzed the construction of each machine to ensure that they're built to last while also being intuitive to operate. In addition to lab testing, we researched top models and brands to find the styles that'll suit your specific sewing needs, including the best sewing machines for beginners. SmartReviewsLab.com. Search SmartReviewsLab.com before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Brother XR 9550 Sewing Machine. A classic model from Brother. One GH Textiles analyst has used this machine personally at home for over 5 years, sewing clothes and craft projects alike. This machine combines the simplicity of a beginner machine with excellent features like a clear LCD screen, needle up/down and speed control. It includes a wider table to support bigger quilting and sewing projects. GH analysts found that this machine sewed through a variety of different fabrics with ease, including denim and upholstery fabric. It boasts an intuitive automatic needle threader, too. GH analysts recommend to always use the spool cap when sewing to prevent the thread from sliding off. Automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. The Brother Fast Needle Threading System takes care of threading the needle for you in a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. The intuitive LCD display allows you to easily choose your stitches and settings with the push of a button. Specification and features. Brand, Brother. Color, white. Material, metal. Item weight, 10.14 pounds. Power source, corded electric. Is electric? Yes. Product dimensions, 13.5 dx 20 inches wide by 17.9 inches high. Reasons to buy. Wide table included. Speed control capabilities. Easy to thread and wind the bobbin. Reasons to avoid. The alphabet stitching is very small as this is not an embroidery machine. Number 2. Singer M3500 Sewing Machine. When you're in the market for a beginner-friendly option that won't break the bank, this sewing machine might be your best match. Not only is it under $200, but this small but mighty sewing machine is perfect for tight workspaces. The automatic needle threader was simple to use and can thread your needle in a few easy steps. GH analysts were impressed at how well this machine worked with different fabrics, including wool and cotton jersey, and only struggled with delicate fabrics like silk chiffon. During testing, we did notice the one-step buttonhole function wasn't quite seamless and got stuck a few times but ran smoothly after rethreading. This simple machine is ideal to help hem new clothes and repair tiny tears and holes. Easy one-step buttonhole for consistent results every time. Automatic needle threader quickly threads machine with ease. Free arm to sew hard to reach areas. Effortless threading of the needle for a faster start. Bobbins are easy to wind and insert, while maintaining a smooth needle plate surface. The Singer M3500 sewing machine offers basic and decorative stitches, along with stretch stitches, so you can sew a wide range of fabrics from sheer to stretch knit to denim and more. Stitch width and stitch length can be adjusted to further customize stitches the way you want for your projects. Specification and features. Brand, Singer. Color, purple. Material, metal. Item weight, 11.79 pounds. Power source, corded electric. Is electric? Yes. Product dimensions, 7.35 dx 15.16 inches wide by 10.9 inches high. Reasons to buy. Doesn't take up much space. Great for new sewers. Under $200. Reasons to avoid. Buttonhole function wasn't seamless in testing. Number 3. Burnett 79 Sewing Machine. Opt for a luxury sewing machine that can withstand constant use and offers excellent features for an expert sewer if you want to treat yourself to a top-of-the-line model. Look no further than Burnett machines. Synonymous with high quality, this luxury machine offers embroidery, quilting and standard sewing capabilities. Blown away by the innovative features like automatic thread cutting and the ability to draw your own stitches on the touchscreen with the included stylus, GH analysts never wanted to stop sewing on this machine. With a massive library of 500 stitches and 17 buttonhole options, this machine can create your own combinations by remembering your exact stitch specifications for specific fabrics in its short and long-term memory. It sewed through all types of fabrics with ease, including silk chiffon, polyester satin and wool. Although it is a pricey pick, it's one of the most affordable Burnett models. Specification and features. Brand, Burnett. Color, white, black. Material, aluminum. Item weight, 47 pounds. Power source, AC. Is electric, yes. Product dimensions, 20x 23 inches wide by 22 inches high. Reasons to buy. 5-inch touchscreen. Thread tie-off option. Ability to design custom stitches. Reasons to avoid. Most expensive pick in the roundup. Number 4. Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine. Although it weighs under 3 pounds, this mini sewing machine can handle many different sewing projects. Young sewers can benefit from the simple design for easy threading and the finger guard to prevent injuries. It has 2 different speeds, which is great for kids when first learning. This machine includes different colored threads and bobbins, scissors, a measuring tape, a seam ripper, needles and more to get started. Plus, it costs just about $40. Once your child masters this machine and can sew safely, GH Lab pros recommend upgrading to a higher-end model, like the Singer Start 1304, for more advanced projects. Specification and features. Brand, Magicfly. Color, pink. Item weight, 1 kilograms. Power source, battery powered. Is electric, yes. Product dimensions, 8.11 x 10.07 inches wide by 8.3 inches high. Reasons to buy. Tons of included accessories. Finger guard. Super lightweight. Reasons to avoid. Plastic frame not designed for durability. Number 5. Singer 4452 Sewing Machine. This machine is so easy to use that a time traveler from 1963 could probably thread and start sewing without ever having to look at a manual. In fact, a manual wasn't even included in the box, just a quick start guide for how to fill a bobbin and thread the machine. Everything on the machine is controlled via knobs, levers, and dials, so you can pick things up quickly. The Singer Heavy Duty is loud, powerful, and fast. In testing, it handled lightweight cotton muslin, stretch jersey, and several layers of heavy upholstery fabric very well. All the fabric went through the machine evenly, and the stitches were even and straight, though the backstitch didn't look very neat. At first, the zigzag stitch on the stretch jersey also looked too tight on the bobbin thread side, but after I adjusted the top thread tension a bit, I was able to make it look even on both sides. Specification and features. Brand, Singer. Color, gray. Material, metal. Item weight, 14.6 pounds. Power source, treadle powered. Is electric, yes. Product dimensions, 6.25 x 15.5 inches wide by 12 inches high. Reasons to buy. Size 16 needles sew through tough fabrics with ease. Multiple presser feet including a non-stick foot. Great for everyday sewing too. Reasons to avoid. No speed control. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.